Welcome to 13920 Cowart Road in beautiful Milton, Georgia, where peaceful country living meets convenience. And hey, watch to the end as there's a unique antique that may or may not come with the home. Remember, everything's negotiable, so we can certainly make inquiries with the seller. But the best part, there's no HOA. You can truly make the property your own. Whether it's a mini farm, a hobby space, or a peaceful retreat, you're nestled on a quiet, level street. It's more than a home, it's a lifestyle. It's also located within walking distance of the highly rated Summit Hill Elementary School, which ultimately feeds into the highly rated Cambridge High School. First, let's step into the foyer, where we immediately feel warmth of this well-loved home with original hardwoods throughout. And just ahead, you'll find a spacious room perfect for greeting guests or enjoying quiet moments. From there, make your way into the heart of the home, the kitchen. This large space features a breakfast area, long working countertop, and has room for an updated island. It connects seamlessly to a formal dining room, creating a wonderful flow for entertaining. Step out onto the deck, where you will overlook nearly 3 acres, that's right, 3 acres of flat, usable land lined with trees and green space. So picture your mornings here perhaps, coffee in your hand, watching horses graze, or chickens roam. The property has blueberry bushes, fig trees, blooming azaleas, and plenty of space to expand or build, and features 2 large sheds. Inside, unwind in the cozy den, where a fireplace anchors the room, and a large sitting area invites you to relax. This is a perfect space for gathering with loved ones or enjoying a quiet evening in. Now, the primary suite is conveniently located on the main level. It has large windows that allow for lots of light. There's a spacious private bath and a large walk-in closet. Lots of room. Now, there are 2 additional bedrooms. They offer an abundance of light and views to the back pasture, and these allow for flexibility with guests, perhaps visiting family members, or one could even make one such a nice office. And now let's head downstairs. Now downstairs, the basement offers ample space with potential. There are 3 bedrooms. One even has a fireplace. There's a main room and a finished bathroom. Outside on the side of the house, opposite the 2-car garage, lies a large patio perfect for cookouts, family gatherings, or enjoying some peace and tranquility. And don't miss the 2-car garage, which includes the aforementioned unique bonus, an antique walnut Atwater Kent radio table from the early 1900s. I don't know the present value, and again, it may or may not stay with the home, but it certainly adds character to the space. So what do you think? Ready to stop scrolling and start touring? This is Don and Valentine, your Atlanta Realtors, helping you find more than a home. We help you negotiate the best deal. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. There's plenty of real estate content, from home tours to industry know-how to tips for sellers and buyers like you. Bye.